Hello guys, today you will learn about SQL Join. Years ago when I had a really important technical interview. It was typical front-end interview, but guys asked me about the SQL method. One method that was really important for me. I didn't know it that time. I knew a bit how to use SQL, of course, like really simple queries, but I didn't know what is the difference between left, right, inner and full join in SQL. It was the game breaker that put me in a really bad position about the salary negotiation. I had to go a bit down with my salary because that. So today I would like to show you how to use SQL Join and help you never be in the same bad position. Let's start.
So, SQL Join is SQL method to join two tables, like datasets, from different SQL tables. For example, imagine you sell shoes and would like to show all products that will fit your customer's feet. To do that, we will need to create two tables. First, it will be table users with few columns that we will create just now. Okay, so I have SQL DB Beaver. Here I have editor. Oh no, sorry. Let's do it again. Now we will type it. We are creating table users and let's do it. Yeah, almost we have it. Just a few clicks. Yes, it's ready. Now we need to insert some items into the users. We will do it in SQL editor as well. We can do like multiply insertion. I will show you how to do it. You don't need to do it one by one. You can just create few elements on a shot. Okay, users are ready. Now we need to create next table that we will use. It will be named shoes. Let's do it together as well. Yeah, shoes are ready. Okay, now we need few products inside our table. We will create just a few items, then we will be able to test later. Now we can just copy paste that, so we don't need to retype it again. Just a few small changes. Let's test it. Yeah, fine, we have all the products. So now we can go into creating simple join statement. Let's create it in SQL editor, so we will see the effects immediately. We need to select fields that we would like to show from both of the tables. Next we need to select from which table we would like to do it. After that we need to use statement join. We will join shoes table inside the users table. We will specify our user foot size. It's equal to our shoe size. Now we can specify it. We would like to show shoes only for user Radek. We have shoes that will fit to my feet. Fine. So now we would like to see like simple SQL join syntax. To use join, we need to select columns from the first table, join the second table. Here we need to pass our values, so it will be column from the first table should be equal to the column from the second table, and we can add an where condition. Fine, now we can focus on the because we have 4 types of the join method. We can show all of them. First we will start from the inner join example. It's similar what we already did before, and let's write it together so you will see how it works. It's almost the same join that we created before, it's just with an inner. We will specify shoes for user Radek. Let's execute it. Yeah, it looks the same that we did before. Okay, next we will go to left join example. It's a bit different because it will return all items from the left column, but without returning the items from the right column if they will not pass the condition. To do that, we will delete where condition and just join left to join. You can see we have like, sorry, we didn't add all the fields. Let's add more fields from the user. So the third user doesn't have like shoes. We have all of the users, they were on the left column. We will add name so it will be more clear for you to see. Oh, okay, it's name. You see, so we have like Radek, Mark and Bruce. Okay, now we will go into the right join. It's opposite to the left join and it will show us all the products from the right table, but it will not show the items from the first column if they will not pass condition. You can see we have all shoes, but we have not user for the last item from shoes. Next one, what we will go into, it will be full join. It's something that will return all the items from the left and from the right table without taking care about any conditions. So we will have just values that will be null. If no user for shoes, we have shoes, but without user. If no shoes for the user, we will get user inside the table, but without shoes, with null values. Let's test it. You can see we have Bruce. There's no product for him, and we have shoes number 4 without the user for them. Okay, I think it's all. It was the last method that I wanted to show you about SQL Join. Congratulations!
You know how to use SQL Join, you know the most important basics and how to use them, and for sure you will know how to answer the question. I hope it will help you. If you like the video, you can click the subscribe, give us thumb up and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye!